Hey, what's up, y'all? Sean the Math Swap Tutoring here with another math challenge, which reads as follows. 20% of a number is 12. What is 30% of the same number? Now, this is a pretty easy one here, percentage problem, but I know a lot of people tend to have issues with percentages, so let's look into it. 20% of a number. What does that mean? That means we need to use a variable. And also, also like to say this too. You need to know what your math signal words are so that you can set this up as an equation. 20%, that's just 20 out of 100, or I'll say 0.2. Of means multiplied by a number. I'm just going to use A. Is means equals 12. Okay? Now, what's 30% of the same number? So, what's 30% of A? So, we need to find A first. Very easy here. So, we're going to divide both sides by 0.2. Okay, so without a calculator, 12 divided by 2 would be 6. So 12 divided by 0.2 would give you 60. Okay, all right, now 30% of the same number. So what is 30% or 0.3 of 60? So if 60 times 3 would be 180, 60 times 0.3 would be 18 as a final answer. So 30% of 60 is 18. Let me know if you got that. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.